This is gonna be by far the most simple way to get hot water in your van. If you are just wanting hot water for your sink, these things work really, really well. So you'll turn it all the way down to minimum. It's still pretty hot water, so you might need to blend it a little bit. Only downside to using these is you also have to use the actual InSinkErator faucet with these guys. They're a nice looking faucet, but they're a little expensive. They're like $400 or $500. So all said and done, you're looking at around $750 for this entire heated water system. But what's really cool is this thing is powered by 110. So you turn your inverter on and it only draws 750 watts. It'll only draw 750 watts until it's heated up. Once it's heated up, it's pretty efficient. It's got a small little water tank inside here that'll hold some hot water, but it works really well if you want to do dishes, if you just need some hot water to, wash your hands or anything like that. And if you want, crank it up and you can make tea and whatnot with them in as well. It is not a perfect system, but if you want something basic and something easy, these work really well. It's the InSinkErator. It's a hot water tank. And again, 750 watts. It's one of the lower draw units that we have been able to find. So you don't need a huge inverter and you don't even necessarily need a huge electrical system. When we install these guys, we just install them directly underneath the sink. One thing about installing a water heater is keep in mind you're very limited with how much water you actually have in your van. Even if you have a really awesome build with a big old water tank, 30 gallons, and maybe at max, you may have 60 gallons of water in your van. That doesn't last forever. Typically, you're gonna see 20 to 30 gallon tanks inside, that are gonna be able to install inside your van. And so making sure you conserve water is super crucial. So get your water heater as close to your tap or wherever you're gonna be using it as possible. So that way when you turn it on, you don't have to wait a very long time for your water to get hot. Install these guys underneath your sink, install your water heaters close to your sink and or shower. Just kind of centralize all your water into one place and it makes life a whole lot easier rather than, sending a bunch of water lines every which way within your walls.